friends, welcome back and thank you so much for stopping by for another video, and welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Sydney, and in today's video, as you can tell from the title, I will be cleaning and decorating our living room for Christmas and for the holidays. We will be putting up our Christmas tree, decorating our mantle, and a couple of different areas in our living room, so definitely stay tuned until the end to see the transformation and how we made it a little bit more festive. So yeah, definitely give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. Let me know if you already decorated for Christmas. I know this is well into December and I'm sure a lot of you already have. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. And with all of that being said, let's get started. So if any of you guys are watching for the first time, I did want to quickly introduce myself. So my name is Sydney and I am a stay-at-home mom to twin 3.5-year-old boys, and also just had a baby boy about a month ago almost. So we definitely have our hands full over here, and it's the reason why we decorated a little bit later this year. We were planning to get a real Christmas tree this year, but decided not to, just to be a little bit more budget friendly for the holidays. And we did have this fake Christmas tree that we just thought we would use this year, and hopefully by next year we will start getting a real Christmas tree. Let me know down below in the comments, do you guys prefer real Christmas trees or fake Christmas trees? As you guys can see, my twin boys were super excited to help decorate this year and just have all of the Christmas decor up. Now that they're a little bit older, they kind of understand more of, you know, what's going on and Christmas and the meaning of it, which I'm super excited to start traditions with them. We already have started a couple. We do pick out ornaments every year. Ever since my husband and I got together, we started doing that tradition. And once the boys came along, they each pick out an ornament as well. And I just love looking back each year and seeing how the boys, you know, their interests change. It just makes my mama heart so happy, and just feel that's what makes Christmas so special. I'm going to be adding some ribbon from last year. I didn't really pick up anything new this year besides a couple of things from Target that I will be sharing in a little bit. But if you guys want to see a detail of how I did my Christmas tree, I will link my video from last year, which was very detailed, up in the cards for you guys and down below in the description box, so you guys can definitely go check that out. So now that we were done decorating the Christmas tree for the most part, we still had to go purchase the new ornaments for this year, which I will be sharing in a little bit. But I also didn't leave the Christmas tree like this. I was planning to put it inside of the basket, but the basket was too small, so I end up actually taking it off once I show you guys at the end. So definitely make sure you watch until the end of the video because I do change some things around.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
Alright guys, so this is the following day and we were finally able to go get our ornaments for this year. And of course my boys are obsessed with all things Spider-Man. And I love this one since it said his birth date and his weight, and I thought that was super cute. Alright guys, so now I'm moving on to the mantle, and I wanted to start off with wiping it down first with the Method Wood for Good cleaner. And we did purchase these new stockings from Target, which I absolutely love since they do have our initials on them. And we got one for little Liam, of course, and included his little stocking. So I just feel like it made our mantle more complete and cohesive with these stockings. And I just play around with everything. You'll see a slight difference at the end of the video of how I ended up having the mantle. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for today's clean and decorate with me for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed and got inspired, whether that be for decorating your home for Christmas as well, or cleaning along with me. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you made it this far, and subscribe if you are new here and like this sort of content. I would love to have you be a part of my family. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.